Do you believe that buying a luxury car after its warranty expires could be the smartest financial decision of your life? Sounds crazy, right? Because when you think of a luxury car, most people imagine massive repair bills and maintenance costs that keep you up at night. But the truth is, there are some machines that can run hundreds of thousands of miles as smoothly as new, with costs lower than those of a mainstream car. This video will reveal a list of 13 luxury cars that not only hold their value, but also become the best buys when they're past their warranty period. And trust me, the number one spot will surprise you. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Here's the list of 13 luxury cars worth buying after their warranty expires. 1. Infiniti Q50 Red Sport 2016 to 2020. Many people think Japanese luxury cars can't match the excitement of their German counterparts, but the Infiniti Q50 Red Sport is a fascinating exception. When Nissan's engineers developed this sedan, they seem to forget the unspoken rule that luxury cars need complex, fragile components. Instead, they created a machine that mechanics jokingly call boring because there's hardly anything to fix. The heart of the Q50 is its VR30 V6 twin-turbo engine, delivering 400 horsepower, powerful, durable, tested in the harshest conditions, and performing in the real world with astonishing resilience. The best part for buyers is the depreciation. Within just 5 years, the car loses up to 60% of its value, then stabilizes as people realize they're getting German quality with Japanese reliability at a price close to a new Hyundai. The interior features genuine leather, premium aluminum trim, and electronics sourced from aviation suppliers, all of which make the Q50 a sweet secret for those who want a luxury car without maintenance headaches. 2. Genesis G80 2017 to 2020. If German cars are synonymous with luxury but wallet-draining maintenance, the Genesis G80 takes a different path. Durable, refined, and easy to live with. When it debuted, it was like a bold statement. We do it better! Its naturally aspirated 3.8L V6 engine is uncomplicated, runs smoothly, and has virtually no minor issues. The air suspension system, a common weak point in European cars, has been redesigned for safety and longevity. The interior is meticulously crafted, with multi-layer paint that stays glossy for years. More importantly, the G80 depreciates quickly after its warranty. Yet it's highly sought after because, for the price of a high-end Camry, buyers can enjoy a luxurious cabin, cutting-edge technology, and durability that even makes Lexus take notice. This is truly a VIP ticket at a mainstream price in the world of luxury cars. 3. Lexus GS 350F Sport 2013 to 2020. If you think durable luxury cars are often synonymous with boring, the Lexus GS 350EF Sport will change your mind. This is a sedan that many mechanics have recommended to their own mothers because it's so low risk for breakdowns. Its naturally aspirated 3.5L V6 engine runs smoothly, almost effortlessly, on highways, allowing the car to conquer hundreds of thousands of miles while maintaining its refinement. The GS's 8-speed automatic transmission is a testament to Lexus's ingenuity, understated, uncluttered, and simply flawless for decades. What's intriguing is that the GS 350 becomes even more appealing as it ages. The leather seats soften, the engine feels freer and smoother, and the suspension reaches a level of comfort that many newer models need time to fine-tune. The F-Sport version not only adds a sporty look, but also features brakes and a suspension tuned at the Nürburgring, delivering a genuinely sporty driving experience. With the GS 350, you're buying a luxury car that gets better with age. 4. Porsche Cayenne S, 2011 to 2018. When it comes to luxury SUVs, many people immediately worry about sky-high maintenance costs, but the Porsche Cayenne S tells a different story. Porsche is renowned for the durability of its sports cars, and when they applied that philosophy to an SUV, they created a true warrior. Its V6 and V8 engines, both naturally aspirated and supercharged, are not only powerful, but also built like industrial machines. Porsche tested them in conditions so extreme that even heavy-duty trucks would be impressed. The result? Many Cayennes surpass 200,000 miles while maintaining their smoothness and solidity. What surprises car enthusiasts is the reasonable maintenance cost compared to contemporaries like the Range Rover or BMW X5. Parts are readily available. Independent garages can handle most repairs, and the most interesting part, while owners of other luxury cars fret over air suspension, water pumps, or electronics, Cayenne owners simply change the oil and keep driving. A true Porsche, but also a smart choice for the post-warranty phase. 5. Cadillac XTS Platinum, 2013 to 2019. While some still see Cadillac as an old-school king, the XTS Platinum proves America can craft a luxury sedan that's both durable and refined. Its heart is a 3.6L, naturally aspirated V6 engine, tough enough to power taxis, police cars, and long-haul service vehicles, proving its reliability. If it can handle the harsh streets of Detroit, you can trust it to last for years. The magnetic ride control suspension uses electromagnetic dampers instead of complex air systems, delivering instant response and long-lasting durability. The XTS Platinum's interior feels like a first-class cabin. Hand-selected leather, real wood, and genuine metal. No cheap imitations here. Thanks to steep depreciation, a sedan that once cost $60,000 can now be yours for just over $20,000. With the XTS, you get pure American luxury with maintenance costs that won't break the bank. Pause for 3 seconds and hit the subscribe button to support us. 6. Acura RLX Sport Hybrid, 2014 to 2020. If Lexus is renowned for reliability, the Acura RLX Sport Hybrid shows that Honda can also craft an unbreakable luxury masterpiece. This sedan is often jokingly called the luxury hybrid for practical people, fuel efficient and reliable to an almost unbelievable degree. The RLX's hybrid system combines 3 electric motors with a naturally aspirated V6, creating a complex setup that operates with remarkable simplicity and durability. No differential, no cumbersome drive shaft. Everything is replaced by smart electric motors that are both powerful and nearly impervious to failure. This keeps post-warranty maintenance costs minimal, limited to basics like oil changes, tires, and brakes. The RLX's interior is a standout. Every button, leather surface, and wood trim is finished with Honda's signature precision, remaining beautiful and durable for years. Owning an RLX Sport Hybrid is like having a time machine. You know it will serve you faithfully for decades without the wallet-shocking repair bills that haunt European luxury car owners. 7. BMW 550, 2011 to 2016. BMW is famous for thrilling drives but often comes with daunting repair costs. The 550i, 2011 to 2016, however, is a rare exception. Its improved N63 V8 twin-turbo engine is no longer a nightmare, but a powerful, reliable workhorse that can log hundreds of thousands of miles smoothly. Paired with a durable 8-speed automatic transmission, the 550i offers luxury and exhilaration without constant garage visits. Deep depreciation makes this sedan surprisingly affordable, delivering near M5 performance with much lower maintenance costs. Independent shops familiar with BMWs can handle repairs without specialized tools, and parts are readily available. With the 550i, you get a BMW that keeps its sporty soul while offering peace of mind post-warranty, something once unthinkable for the brand. 8. Lexus LS460, 2007 to 2017. In the world of luxury cars, the Lexus LS460 is like a fortress, solid, elegant, and nearly untouched by time. Its 4.6L naturally aspirated V8 engine, designed by Toyota with a last longer than its owner philosophy, delivers smooth power with whisper-quiet operation. The 8-speed automatic transmission shifts so seamlessly you barely notice it. What's remarkable is that the LS460 doesn't just endure. It maintains a top-tier luxury experience for decades. The climate control stays precise, the power seats work like Swiss watches, and the Mark Levinson audio system turns the cabin into a concert hall. Many owners say driving the LS feels like meditation, calm and relaxing, making long trips a soothing experience. Even after hundreds of thousands of miles, the LS460 holds its value because car enthusiasts know it's one of the rare luxury sedans that never tires. Owning an LS460 isn't just about having a car, it's about owning an icon of automotive longevity. 9. Genesis G90 5-Source Ultimate, 2017 to 2020. If you want the prestige of an S-Class or 7 Series without the hefty price tag, the Genesis G90 5.0 Ultimate is your answer. It proves South Korea can do more than build mainstream cars. It can challenge German icons. The 5.0L naturally aspirated V8 engine delivers smooth, effortless power, accelerating as naturally as breathing. The air suspension, redesigned and reinforced, eliminates the breakdowns common in European cars. Inside, the G90 boasts semi-aniline leather, real wood, and genuine metal, materials typically found in a Rolls-Royce, creating a purely luxurious space. Best of all, post-warranty maintenance is surprisingly affordable. Regular oil changes and minimal upkeep keep costs low, with no $1,000 repair bills. The G90 is a hidden gem, a luxury car with world-class standards at a price that surprises everyone. 10. Porsche Panamera S, 2014 to 2016. The Porsche Panamera S proves that Porsche can craft a four-door sedan that retains the legendary sporty DNA of the 911. Beneath its luxurious exterior and performance that rivals supercars lies an astonishingly durable machine. Its V6 and V8 engines, whether naturally aspirated or supercharged, are tested to aerospace-grade standards, ensuring incredible reliability. Paired with a near-indestructible 7-speed PDK transmission, the Panamera delivers a driving experience that's as smooth as a limousine and as explosive as a race car. Its suspension and chassis, built to sports car standards but refined for luxury comfort, make every drive a perfect blend of speed and relaxation. Best of all, after 5 years, the Panamera can lose up to 60% of its original value, letting savvy buyers snag a $150,000 car for the price of a mainstream SUV. It's not just a dream Porsche, it's a rare post-warranty bargain in the luxury world. 11. Mercedes-Benz S550 W222, 2014 to 2020. When the W222 S-Class debuted, it wasn't just a new model. It was Mercedes' triumphant redemption after years of durability criticism in the 2000s. Under the hood, the 4.6L twin-turbo V8 engine was redesigned from the ground up. Powerful, smooth, and, most importantly, remarkably reliable. The air suspension, often a nightmare in luxury cars, was re-engineered with such durability that even Mercedes engineers were surprised by its low failure rate. The W222's interior blends opulence and refinement, real leather, wood, and metal, with electronics built to last decades. What makes the S550 stand out is its reasonable post-warranty maintenance. Independent shops can easily service it, parts are widely available, and upkeep costs are no longer the terrifying expense of older models. With the W222, you're not just buying a Mercedes, you're reclaiming the three-pointed star's legacy of true longevity. 12. Lexus LS600 2008 to 2015. Few luxury cars achieve immortal status, but the Lexus LS600 HL does just that. This flagship sedan is Toyota's bold statement: luxurious, eco-friendly, and built to outlast time itself. Combining a naturally aspirated V8 with a cutting-edge hybrid system, the LS600 HL delivers seamless power and impressive fuel efficiency. Its battery and electric motors are designed to barely degrade, with sophisticated cooling systems ensuring decades of stable performance. The interior reflects perfection: real leather, wood, and metal, with craftsmanship that rivals Rolls-Royce. Even after years, the LS600HL holds its value because enthusiasts know they're getting more than a sedan. They're getting an immortal masterpiece. It blends hybrid technology, luxury, and unmatched reliability into a standard that few cars can match. 13. Mercedes E-Class W212, 2010, California case, 350,000 miles. If you need proof that a luxury car can outlast mainstream models, look no further than the 2010 Mercedes E-Class W212 in California. With over 350,000 miles, its total maintenance costs were lower than a Honda Civic's. Sounds unbelievable, but it's true. The W212 generation is considered the last peak of classic Mercedes philosophy. Rock-solid design, stable engines and transmissions, and electronics modern enough, but not so complex they fail easily. This balance keeps the E-Class luxurious yet durable enough to rival mainstream cars. The California story isn't just a record, it's a reminder that, with proper care, some luxury cars can be lifelong companions. Post-warranty, the W212 shines even brighter, as you realize you're driving an enduring icon with maintenance costs so low they're hard to believe. This list of 13 luxury cars proves a fascinating truth. The end of a warranty doesn't always mean a financial black hole. On the contrary, many sedans and SUVs, from Lexus and Genesis, Porsche and Mercedes, become more stable with age, with reasonable maintenance costs and depreciation that turn them into incredible deals. The real value for smart buyers: you can enjoy top-tier luxury, powerful performance, and astonishing durability without fearing for your wallet. If the video is good, hit like. If not, hit subscribe.